Mitha ya gucakaya uria urari mumbunge wa EMURUA DIKIRR JOHANA ng'eno na andu angi atano aria makuirire mutino-ini wa ndege kaunti-ini ya NANDI MUTHIA-INI wa kiumia KIHITUKU irehire hamwe andu a nyumba arata undu umwe na maabitha nene thirikari nene undu umwe na cia kaunti othe aria manyitanire hari kuririkana atandatu ya undu umwe na gucakaya na family ciao.
Kifo ni kifo, lakini kifo cha ghafla kina uchungu mkubwa, na bila shaka uchungu huu ndio famili hizi 6 zinasikia kwa sasa. Letu ni kumwombea Mwenyezi Mungu awapatie faraja na bega la kuegemea wakati huu mgumu.
Heri wale ambao wanakufa katika Bwana, kwa sababu wanapumzika kutoka kazi ngumu za dunia hii na matendo yao mazuri yanawafuata katika mapumziko. So we are very proud of our brothers here, and we pray for strength for the families.
Ng'eno ria ratungataga gwa itina ria gatatu ta mumbunge wa EMURUA DIKIRR aririkanitwo ta mutongoria urehothete gutungatira muingi wa gicigo bunge giake hatari muthutukanio undu umwe na gukorwo arari mundu urendete family yake ria atigite mutumia na ciana igiri.
And the way you loved your children, Tabaroni and Chesang, you adored them, you held them with pride, you played with them, you look at them like they were your greatest accomplishments. In their eyes, you were a hero. In mine, you were a gentle, devoted father with the biggest heart. You were my beginning, was still new and pure. Losing you feels like losing the music of my youth.
Ageria MARAKUIRIRE mutino-ini na mutorithia wa ndege yo George Amos Kipng'etich urari afitha wa borithi wa mititu muhuri wa Bishanik Kosgei Robert Keter kana mwarimu undu umwe na Wycliffe Kiprotich Rono othe aria maririkanitwo ni wirutiri wa wira-ini wa muingi guku munini wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki eranire kunyitirira family ciao.
I remember the time when Mheshimiwa recognized his work and really invited him to do his work. So at that time, Nick was very happy. He was like, wow, my work has been recognized by Mheshimiwa.
I have no doubt that Pilot Were was an astute airman and cannot have endangered his own life. This was an accident.
Kindiki nigenera ni ire wirutiri wa thirikari hari kunyitirira family ciothe ithathatu hari kuhurukia endu ao ona nginya thutha ucio kuhitukira kuhe andu a nyumba ciao mawira ma thirikari niguo kumuhotithia guthie na mbere kwirugamirira kimuturire akiuga mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutigirira mubango uyu no akinyanira.
For all those 6 families, I have listened to the various requests for support beyond the immediate support. The request by my brother Patrick on Mwalimu, because we have another qualified person from the same family. I want to undertake on behalf of government that it is going to be done as requested.
A man who has done so much to his people. And for me, because we entered the 11th Parliament together with a number of members of Parliament who are here, I just want to say that death is very cruel.
Uthuthuria wigie kiria giacungiriire mutino uyu na urathie na mbere guku mathiko ma atandatu aya mahariirio gukahanika muthenya wa gatano ga kiumia giki. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mohora Wagunya.